Hey Foundations, in this video I want to talk about how to identify which checklist you need to be looking at and needing to be working towards to reach your goals. So let's say that right now you have a 63% in Foundations and you want to end this semester with a B. A B is an 80%, so from a 63% to an 80%, we are looking at the 20% increased checklist. We don't have anything in between, so we just have increments of 10. So whatever the next step would be, that's the one you need to do. So that 20% increase would be what you need to look at. And the assignments on that checklist include our roll call video, which was that very first assignment. It's still open for you guys to submit, so if you have not done that assignment, make sure you get that done. You have 3 options. You can either write, take pictures, or take a video. So there are 3 ways to do that if you're not comfortable with the videos. The next 2 checks on that checklist are Mathia modules. So that's the whole unit. We didn't put a specific name for the module because it's going to depend on which student is completing that. So it's going to depend on what you have completed in the past and what you need to complete for Foundations. So you're going to get that assignment from Mr. Clay and myself telling you which module to complete. The next one is altering a recipe, and we will provide the recipe for you, and we will give you more information to come when we get to that particular assignment. The last check is Google Assessments, and you have the 1-step and the 2-step equations. So those are going to be Google Forms. And you can do Google Forms from a cell phone, from a computer, from a tablet. And that's going to be the way that we test your mastery of 1-step and 2-step equations. As I said in my previous video, I'm going to be posting tutorial videos and examples of how to solve 1-step, 2-step, and beyond for you to get practice before you take those Google assessments. Remember, you only get 1 try at those assessments, so really would encourage you to take the practice opportunities that will be posted. So you have to take a look at your grade and where you want to end to decide which checklist you need. And in order for you to get that % increase, you need to complete everything on that checklist, including that very first assignment. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions on the checklist, make sure you reach out to Mr. Clay and I. As we assign more things, those assignments will become more clear. Right now they're an ambiguous checklist, but the roll call video, which is the first thing on every single checklist, has already been explained and assigned. So you need to make sure to get that first check. Everyone, no matter what list you're looking at, needs to submit a roll call video or paper or pictures. Alright? Once again, if you have any questions, reach out to Mr. Clay or I on Google Classroom or through email, and you'll be seeing more of us to come. Take care, wash your hands.